Hi everyone, welcome to DD classes. In last video we have discussed about the functions of central bank part 2. In this video we are going to learn about what are the monetary system in India, what we followed in India. So let us start with the monetary system in India. So the present monetary system in India is managed and controlled by the central bank, that is RBI, Reserve Bank of India, and it is known as an inconvertible paper currency standard. In India, rupee has been regarded as the standard currency and all transactions are made in terms of the rupees only. The next one is how currency is issued in India. So currency in India issued on the basis of the minimum reserve system, that is MRS. So the RBI has to maintain the minimum reserve of 200 crores in the form of gold and foreign securities. That is, out of 200, 115 crores in the form of gold and the remaining thing is foreign securities, that is 85 crore. So the currency issued by RBI is a inconvertible. That is, the currency issued by the RBI is not a convertible into gold. Only it's a currencies. And all notes except 1 rupee notes and coins are issued by the finance ministry. However, putting all the currency notes and coins into the circulation is done by the RBI only. The next topic what we learn now, what are the important points about the monetary system in India? So in India, the monetary authority is the RBI. India follows the paper currency standard. As a currency followed in India is made up of paper. Coins are limited legal tender money and can be used for making a small payments, that is 1 rupee or 2 rupee or 5 rupee coins and all. So whereas the paper notes are unlimited legal tender, that is 500, 100 and 2000 and can be used for making a payments of any amount. So the RBI has the whole monopoly to issue the currency notes of rupees 2 and above. The Ministry of Finance issues the 1 rupee note and all the coins. So however, the responsibility of putting all the currency notes and coins into the circulation rests with the RBI only. Let us know about the fact of monetary system in India. When was $1 is equal to 1 rupee? That is, on 15th August 1947, the exchange rate between the Indian rupee and US dollar was equal to 1. That is, $1 equal to 1 rupee. I hope you all understand the monetary system in India. Share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.